This is the shocking truth about the coastal redwood. Sequoia sempervirens, also known as the coastal redwood or the California redwood, is the tallest species of tree in the world. These towering arboreal scions average between 200 and 240 feet in height, with trunks that grow about 10 feet in diameter. In addition to being large enough to drive a car through, the coastal redwood is a persnickety tree, growing only along a 250-mile strip of forest in the Sierra Nevada mountain range of Northern California, primarily between elevations of 5,000 and 7,000 feet, where they live for, on average, between 800 and 1,500 years. The oldest living redwood is estimated to be approximately 3,300 years old, making it older than sliced bread, the Aztec Empire, and Christianity. The world's tallest tree is a coastal redwood called Hyperion, which is currently growing in a remote segment of Redwood National Park. Hyperion measures 380.3 feet in height. For reference, that's over 1.5 times the height of the Statue of Liberty. Just don't go looking for this gargantuan tree. Its exact location is kept secret from the public in an effort to preserve its natural habitat. This has been the shocking truth about the coastal redwood. From all of us here at Dherbs, good night.